Hi guys, welcome to Sans TikTok, and today we'll be discussing how to avoid plagiarism in your assessments. Tip 1. Paraphrasing.
Imagine your assignment asks you to define the concept paraphrasing. Your first step would be to go to the CLG and see what it says. Here it is, but of course you cannot copy from the CLG. You must first understand what it means to you and then write it in your own words. Please do not copy and paste from another source and paste it into your answer. This is pretending that it's your own work and is considered plagiarism or academic dishonesty. Rather, keep the content of the CLG where you can see it. Here it is placed at the bottom of your screen, what the CLG says. On top, the student is writing how they understand the concept. While the student is typing, look at the bottom to what the CLG says and compare it with the student's answer on top. If you need to, pause this video now so you can read it properly. Can you see the difference? It is the student's own words, but the ideas are from the CLG.
Now that you have paraphrased your answer, it is important to acknowledge the sources from which you received the information. This is done through referencing. Tip 2. In-text referencing.
In-text referencing happens in your test. You will go to the front matter of your CLG where you will find the author. In this case, there are two authors, and you'll find the year of publication. To write it, you write open bracket, Dyson and Evans, 2020. The student found the example on page 94. Therefore, you will write P.94, close bracket.
Once you have completed the in-text referencing, it is important to include a reference list. Tip 3. Reference list.
Sans has provided you with a reference guide to reference any source you have used. The reference list comes at the end of your document. Entries in the reference list are arranged alphabetically by the author's surname. In this example, the student has used the Sans CLG. Go to the CLG in the front, get the name of the CLG, the code of the CLG, the name of the institution, year of publication, authors, as well as the printing company. This is how you will write it. Please take note of the punctuation used as the student write the reference list. Remember to italicize the code and the name of the CLG as seen below.
To conclude, avoiding plagiarism is ensuring that you use your own words, that you have in-text referencing, and that you include a reference list. For more support on how to avoid plagiarism, please refer to the following documents, which are available on My Sans in your module folders under Additional Resources.